Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how to find in Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, there is find feature that you can use to find a certain word or phrase, and I'm going to show you how. So I've already opened my Google Sheet file. So here you can just click on Control and then plus F, Control plus F to activate a define feature in Sheet. But if you need to use more options, just click on the three dots icon here, and then as you can see here, you can just click on define. For example, that, and then you can filter if you want to search on the all sheets or only a D sheet or on the specific range. I'm going to use all sheet, and then you can just click match case, match entire sales content, or other, and you can also replace the word that you find or you search with other words like this. But I'm going to find it first. Click on find, and then as you can see, the sheet will move to the uh, cells or range that contains this word, like that, like so. Okay, so that is how you can find in Google Sheets. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. See you guys on the next tutorial.